The next one. The next one. Nobody knows, by the way. We are the only organization in the world and in which all words are not announced in advance. Nobody knows. Nobody knows who gets the award. It's kept secret. Okay? They know only when they are here. Okay, the next one. Hans Leuenberger. This is in the field of pharmacy. We had a very successful, and we have, still is not finished, 3 days of pharmacy symposium.
Thank you so much, Florian. I'm overwhelmed. I don't know what to say because I already received in Panama a very nice award in biophysics from Joachim Frank International, and I don't deserve it. I think there are so many other people who deserve such a prize, but I thank so much. And I'm thinking that also some scientists are awarded, not only sport people or people who are dancing, or I don't know where, somewhere good movies. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So you, if I heard it well, I didn't hear it, so you're going to dance tonight.
I'm not a good dancer. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for this.
An applause for Hans. And since he had a symposium dedicated to his name and bearing his name, dedicated to his life achievement and bearing his name, we have gathered some photo of his life. You see, some of the award winners do not have photos because it is unannounced and they didn't have a symposium bearing their name. Today, this SIPS, we had Leuenberger International Pharmacy Symposium, so that's why we gathered some photo of his life. This is some photo of a scientist from Swiss Army at wedding in '69. Trained a scientist in Swiss Army. I didn't know, by the way, you're Army guy. So some of the photos when he has been honored for his activity with his wife in Tokyo.